Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to remove your BMW X5 E53 steering wheel. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car's battery. Next, you'll need to locate the two torque screws situated on the back of the steering wheel. Once these are out, gently pull the airbag module away from the wheel and carefully disconnect its electrical connectors. This ensures no accidental deployment. With the airbag safely out of the way, proceed to unplug any other electrical connectors still attached to the steering wheel. These typically power controls like radio or cruise control. Now, using a 16mm socket, loosen the large central retaining nut. Do not remove it completely yet. Before pulling the wheel, make a clear alignment mark on both the wheel and the steering column. This step is crucial for proper reinstallation. Now you can fully remove the central retaining nut. Once it's off, you're ready to pull the steering wheel. Grip the wheel firmly with both hands, applying even pressure. Gently but steadily pull it straight off the steering column shaft. Avoid twisting or yanking, as this could damage internal components. With the wheel free, set it aside in a safe place where it won't be scratched or dropped. When you're ready to reinstall, carefully align the steering wheel with the marks you made earlier. This ensures your wheel is perfectly centered. Slide it back onto the shaft, then reattach all electrical connectors and the airbag module. Tighten the central nut to the manufacturer's specified torque, typically around 62 Nm. Remember to reconnect your battery. Also, for some great deals and that awesome sock link, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.